Don't tell me you still don't know how to do your makeup in 2026. If you have ever said, I don't know how to do my makeup, then this video is for you. Yeah. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're seeing my face for the first time. My name is Florence Amachundi, creative director of Chundibeauty. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So to all my girlies, I'm starting a beginner-friendly makeup series called Do It Yourself Makeup Series, from a beginner to a baddie, where I'll be showing you how to confidently do your makeup from start to finish using easy techniques, affordable tips, and soft glam method. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here, and welcome on board. Welcome to episode 1. So in today's episode, we're starting with skin prep. Good makeup always starts with good skin prep. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video.
Alright loves, like I said earlier, good makeup always starts with good skin prep. Before applying any makeup, skin prep is a must. Make sure to properly prep your skin, and when applying any product, make sure to allow each product to rest on for 1 to 2 minutes before applying the next product. Start by cleaning your face with a micellar water to remove any dirt or oil. I'm using the vitamin C micellar cleansing water from Blossom Cosmetics to clean my face. As you can see, this helps to remove all the dirt and oil in my face. Can you see the dirt? Please, your fan should be your best friend. Make sure to dry every process before moving to the next application. Then I use a mattifying skin toner. This allows makeup last longer under stressful performance condition. Apply this on your T-zone areas, which is your forehead down to the bridge of your nose. Please avoid applying this product under your eyes to prevent under eyes creasing when applying concealer or setting powder. Then dry it up. Next, hydrate your skin for extra moisture. This helps revive hydrated skin and gives your skin that dewy glow. And I'm using my hydrating spray from Baddie to achieve this process. Next, I'll be going in with my moisturizer from Blossom Cosmetics. This helps to restore skin moisture and keep your skin hydrated. Apply this all over your face evenly. Let me plug you on a good brushes. The brush I'm using is from Glam Beauty. They are so soft and very easy to use. Yeah, so like I said earlier, make sure to dry your face before moving to the next. Like, your fan should be your best friend at this point. And then go in with primer for a smooth, long-lasting makeup base. Apply this on your T-zones. Avoid applying primer under your eyes to prevent concealer creasing. Allow 1 minute for this to sit and absorb fully and activate grip before layering with foundation. The primer I'm using is the Aqua Grip from Mismetics. As you can see, I did not apply the primer under of my eyes. Yeah, so look at that grip. Do you see how it gripped that pencil? Yes, trust me, if you follow this process thoroughly, your makeup is going to stay in place. Please don't forget to dry your face after each application. Allow it to sit for at least 1 minute before moving to the next application. Lastly, I'm going to mattify using Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. This process is for those that have oily skin and combination skin. It helps to minimize shine. For me, I have combination skin. As you can see, I'm applying only on my T-zone, the areas I usually sweat on. And make sure you blend it very well. And always remember, good makeup always starts with good skin prep. Don't forget that. If you have watched up to this point and gained value so far, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, and share to friends. Like, share to your family, your friends, share to those people that don't know how to do their makeup. So this series is going to be impactful. This is just the beginning. Trust me, by the end of this series, I believe you'll be able to do your own makeup yourself. So I'm just blending. Make sure to blend the mattifying primer properly, like so. And please don't forget to moisturize your lips using lip oil or lip therapy or lip balm. Just, make sure your lips is moisturized too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next series. Stay tuned for episode 2. Bye.